What's going on, guys? So if you've stepped outside the last couple of months, you know it's hot as crap, and it is absolutely pure punishment to ride around in a vehicle that does not have good AC. Well, Larry does not have good AC, so today's video is going to be showing you how to recharge your AC in 97 to 2003 Ford F150s. We're going to be using this Easy Chill Auto AC Recharge. I'm sure this is not the best stuff, but this is what they said to use at the parts store, so take that with a grain of salt. Let's recharge the system. So we're going to go in here, pop our hood. Oh my gosh, it's boiling in there. So what we're looking for is our low pressure side of our AC. So it's not this one, it's actually the one up there at the canister. They definitely can be boogers sometime. I'm trying to get that off. And honestly, you might just need a recharge, or you might have more issues, but we're going to give it a shot with a recharge and hope for the best. I hear a wild clap wagon. All right, cap is off. It's just got one of these little guys. You just pull that back, stick it on there. So it's reading pretty much 0. So already shook this up really good, but now we want to go inside this hot box. Oh, let's crank this beast up. And we're gonna crank everything wide open, max AC, wide open, on cool. You want all this wide open, right? You want it running the system. We're just gonna tap it a couple times to put some juice in there. One more for good measure. All right, little leak, this freaking lid sucks, but that is how you recharge your system. Quite a little how-to, and we'll just end the video off with a rev.